Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. This is such an exciting video today because the party, I think, has started. We don't know for sure, but a couple days ago we were looking through the charts on that last video and I had mentioned that there was going to be some buy signals here the minute that it had passed that last resistance. Well, it did, and I didn't get a chance to make a video yesterday because I was freaking trading, fire day trading, but I had a lot of entries and exits and I kept riding that wave up. So I'm sorry, I'm not very good at recording while trading, but I'm going to get more comfortable and get more used to it. But here's my advice to everybody: if you have a trading plan, stick to it and do it, because right now it's totally going well, and as long as you have your strategy and you're using it, don't freaking stop. If you don't, then you're gonna lose momentum. And I learned that the hard way a couple of years ago. So trust me, like right now my main goals, my main jobs is my businesses, but then trading is a huge thing that I do love to do. So if you do think of it that way, then make it an important hobby or an important second job. And try to keep the information of your analytics of trading. I know the exchanges let you do that, but I actually go a step ahead and I try to have like a spreadsheet, so it's easier for us to even see, because like a lot of us like have a fund and I trade for the bunch of our owners. So like being able to do that, we have to have that information. It's the only way for me to know what was worth it, what was not worth it, and what could happen next. But let's look at this freaking article because it looks so damn nice. Bitcoin finally started the mini bull run. I don't know if it's the long form bull run. I don't know if it's what's going to be that next catalyst, but it's happening. We're finally back up to crossing past 31K right now. We've well surpassed that. And honestly, going through, this was a huge catalyst that I know we were talking about in the last video, and it is clearly changing people's psychological want for Bitcoin right now. And I know the fact that people like me and other influencers continue, not even an influencer, sorry, other people online are continuing to post things emphasizing that Bitcoin has a good positive sentiment starting, and I think that might also be pushing the catalyst. I mean, like, let's just look at the freaking chart. Literally 2 days ago, so today's the Tuesday in the morning, so let's start right here. It is 24 hours. In 1 day, this bad boy's gone up 15%. If you had one BTC right now, you would have an extra $5,000, roughly $4,900. A little bit less because of the math, but that's a lot of money in 12 hours for anybody. Doesn't matter how rich or how poor, that is still good money moving in such a short amount of time. And one thing to know, it looks like it's made like a little 5 Elliott wave here. So we've got the 1, we've got the 2, we've got the 3, we've got the 4 and the 5. Now this looks like an ABC down, and it might have double top, so it's losing a little bit of steam, but everything has to. Any healthy chart is going to do this. So that does not mean it's going to go back to crash. It does not mean that it is at a pattern reversal yet. We don't know yet. What we do need to know is to keep watching it closely, because this is some of the biggest volume move shift we've had in a little bit. And it could be the start of getting people interested in looking at it again, right? Especially the non-crypto retail people. This is going to bring us back that retail money that we need. And the more that continues, the more good trade options there are. And you know, for me, I am also a long-term Bitcoin holder. I've mined for years through an online thing, and literally totally worth it, because no matter what, I believe it could be a full retirement account for one of the kids one day, right? So like, it's just something to think about. I do have the long-term goal with it as well, and it is in hope that it does make it to 100 to 200K. And I actually think that with everything that's occurred and how many times I've doubted it and it has come back, and this is Bitcoin, right? How many times I've said, oh, Bitcoin's gonna die, and I was wrong. It's time to understand that markets are going to keep moving, and this market does not look like it's going to die. And this market's the only market giving a lot of people their own choices with money and freedom, right? It doesn't necessarily make it all anonymous because it is able to see everything on the blockchain, but what it does do is it gives you that money freedom for yourself, and you're in control of it. And like right now, I've got international employees that we just pay using it, and it's so much faster, so much better. So I do think crypto is here to stay, and I think these types of moves that are continuously coming in the market are just going to open up so many big opportunities. With this today, my goal is to gem hunt, right? Like I'm going to be gem hunting all day today, all day tomorrow. If I can, any chance I get, anytime I'm not on a call, I will be freaking gem hunting. And I think you should be too, because this is when life-changing money is consistently made. And if you hit the jackpot multiple times in a year, your entire life forever could be changed. So just, you know, have an open positive, excited mind. Otherwise, you would lose the opportunity. But let's watch this chart really, really close, everybody. Okay, this is the time to focus on BTC because shit is moving, and we don't know how much of that momentum is going to continue. We don't know right now if it's just consolidating, so just be a little bit patient. But that chart does look healthy. All right. Oh, do me a favor. A lot of you guys watching are just not subscribed, so please click that young subscribe so you get to see the new videos. I will be dropping more information. I'll tell you this: if we hit 5,000 subs, I will do a badass giveaway to give more people a chance to trade. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.